Ciao everyone, welcome to Beatspot. I'm Marco, and in this video I want to review Audiority Harmonic Maximizer, which is a tool I've been toying with for some time, and it's becoming a stable addition to my workflow and my toolkit. So let's dive into it. So this is the mixer I will use to show you how this plugin sounds. So now I'm using it in this return. So I have a zone exciter with this lift above 1K, and then I have harmonic maximizer doing this push thing with a bit of drive, but there's more to it. So let's listen to how this return sounds. So it's giving a bit of presence to guitars, but now let's use it as an insert so you can better understand how this plugin works. So let's try it on vocals first. Okay, so these are the vocals. So this is the interface. We have the input meter, we have a dry gain knob, then we have all these bands. So we have low, low mid, mid, high mid, presence, and high. And we can change the center frequency of these gains, and here we can change the actual gain. At the end, we have a maximizer with a drive, a push, a blend, and an output gain. So now let's listen how it sounds on vocals.
You can no longer raise something that is broken. You just have this mind when you get broken. You can no longer raise something that is broken. You can no longer raise something that is broken. You can no longer raise something that...
So now let's see if we can use it to make it stick out the mix a bit more.
You can no longer raise something that is broken. You just have to smile when you get broken. This my when you get broken. You can no longer raise something that is broken. You just got this my when you get broken.
So we managed to make the vocal a bit more upfront. So now let's move on the guitars. So now let's try it on the bass.
You can no longer raise something that is broken. You just got this mind when you get broken. You're broken.
So on the bass, the effect it's really subtle, but it's giving a bit more body and it's gluing well, better with the guitars. So now let's try it on the drums. So we can see how we added some more snap to drums and they are popping out the mix a bit more. So now let's try it on the whole instrumental. So now I will map all the maximizers to one single button and we will A/B the whole mix with and without this effect. So now let's listen to the mix with and without.
The car no longer rides up and all is broken.
So this is it. Audiority Harmonic Maximizer has become one of my go-to plugins for this kind of processing, and it's giving me really nice results. And if you have any question about the plugin, you can go to audiority.com, look for Harmonic Maximizer, and you can download the user manual, read all the specs, also see Harmonic Maximizer in action with another video. And if you want more info about Harmonic Maximizer, you can go on their website, audiority.com, look for Harmonic Maximizer, and you can download the user manual, see Harmonic Maximizer in action, also read the specs, and that's it. So this is it for this video. Thanks Audiority for letting me review this awesome plugin, and see you in the next one.